If you're ever in a situation where your bike has power and you flip the switch, pull in your clutch, and click the starter and nothing happens, what you can do is look for your starter solenoid. Inside, now I do have power. For some reason my bike needs extra power, so I've got it connected to jumpers, but this might help if you're stranded. So locate your relay, and what you can do is you take a screwdriver, and you've got the positive and negative post. You take the screwdriver and lay it across the metal. Whew. I'm not a neutral. You lay it across the metal flat. Ooh. And now you're no longer broke down. This is how you test your starter solenoid relay.